here, come here. We're there. Saddle. At the base of Gobblers Grunt. That chimney on the left, and we're going to opt for that hand crack on the right. I'm just going to climb right up there to the roof and then out left and see where it goes. P1 goes at 5'9" and looks pretty stellar.
All right, about to follow up this your beautiful crack at Turkey Rock and meet Dave up at the top. I don't know how you did this with another layer of clothes on.
I sweat a lot. Rockin' and jammin' and rockin' and jammin'.
Oh shit. I wish there was something I could use over here.
It's got a jam.
Jamming takes it out of me.
Yes. You got it, girl. Hell yeah.
Yeah, my hand is not jamming there.
Yes. Grab it. Yes. Over there.
Fucking belly flop. All right, here we are, top of P1. It was proper hard.
That was pretty stellar. I enjoyed that. Now we have to figure out a way to get up there.
Hey.
Twin cracks, 5'9", right off the deck. They say it's thoughtful climbing. Thoughtful. What does that mean? I don't know.
Tell you what, the view is pretty thoughtful.
Oh, this is a... Smooth moves.
That was fucking dumb.
Oh boy. 5'6". I did some really awkward stems through that whole section you're about to go up. What, around the corner there?
Right here?
Yeah.
I fucking thought I was gonna fall, but I didn't. A couple times I thought I was gonna fall.
Cruised it.
I did. That's great.
Hell yeah.
It's one of the hardest climbing I've done.
Cool. Let's get you just up in that little nook.
Okay.
How's the perch?
Oh my gosh. It's a nice break. P2 was, probably I liked it more than P1.
They say P2 is the money pitch.
I really liked how I had kind of two hand finger cracks to work with. There really wasn't feet, and you couldn't really get your toe in the crack. So the one time I yelled at Dave to watch me because of my fall, it was because I was like smearing pretty hard. But I got up it, I didn't pull on gear. Yeah,
Hell yeah.
having fun.
Nice. Hanging out. Top of P2. That was a wild pitch. That I see where that's the bunny pitch. Starts off with kind of parallel cracks, and you get fingers in one, fingers in the other, lots of weird stemmy moves. Turns into, kind of hugging a different crack, and there's a little roof you have to either go around or straight up and over. We went around it, which is 5-6. That was pretty hard, 5-6 as far as what I know. But yeah, we made it to the top. We're in a nice little perch up here. It's kind of cool. We've got some shade. It's the day after Thanksgiving 2021, and there's snow on the ground, and I'm sweaty. I couldn't do this climb in June, man. That would be too much. But having fun. Top P2. I think one more 5-7 pitch to the summit, and then crack a beer.
Crack a beer.
Yeah. That's me. It's the summit block. Turkey Rock. Yeah.
I'm like a little tired. Like all my moves are a little bit very thoughtful. Did you curl just right up the center?
Yeah.
Toe in. Beautiful nut. Ah, slab.
How we love thee.
How we love thee. Bump. Bump. Follow the path of least
Resistance.
There's a handhold.
It's an actual crack.
Handhold.
Going to the top.
Foot.
Going to the top. Going to the top. Yeah, buddy. Yeet! How'd that feel?
Really good.
Nice.
Really good. It's really extra scary, but really good. Look at this stinking view. He's probably the best part, but this is also really fucking lovely.
Top of Turkey Rock. Heck yeah.
Turkey Rock in the South Platte.